To promote siSwati language and culture to pupils in the Shiselweni region, the siSwati regional office will be holding a culture day to be held at King Sobhuza II Memorial Stadium. This was revealed by a Shiselweni regional officer, Phindile Mavuso, during a press conference held at Nhlangano Casino. We have a report. Last year, the Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Sibusiso Dlamini appointed the siSwati Language Board with the aim of promoting the language. The Shiselweni region has decided to hold a culture day which is aimed at promoting the siSwati language and the Swazi culture in all schools down south. The event will be held on the 5th of March at King Sobhuza II Memorial Stadium. According to Shiselweni Regional Officer Phindile Mavuso, it has been realized that there is a need for schools in the region to put more effort in the language, especially because the region is next to the neighboring South Africa and most students tend to copy South African languages instead of the siSwati language.
Besithi tena kuqala sisashuka lenzaba besithi liyabe lulunye kodwa ke kwatholakala lokho ukuthi sekumele ukuthi silushintshele kulolu suku lwemhla ka5 kuNdlovulenkulu ngoba kukhona kubambeka lapha nalapha. Lokusho ukuthi ke la sithatha tikolo ngoba siyakuqala ukuthi sikwende lapha eShiselweni. Nifika nje abesalandzisile lo sebandleni le panel yesiSwati lophuma ngala esifundeni saseShiselweni lofinza afundzise esikolweni lesikhulu sase edorobheni lokungucela uqolo Masango. Ulandzisile ke la kabantu ukuthi kuze kusuke sifike kulokuvumelana ngalolu suku ukuthi kusukephi. Ukulandzile ke lokho ukuthi kokuqala kushintshe i-curriculum noma isyllabus ngisho njalo luhlelo lokufundisa etikolweni temabanga laphasi nalamakhulu. Lapho lolu hlelo ekuqaleni bekufundiswa nje lulwimi kuphela, kodwa kube sekuhamba kwesikhathi kwase sekuyashintsha ukuthi lulwimi lodwa lungete lwasebenta kumntwana weliswati. Kufuneka kuphindze kube khona lamasiko nemihambo.
Mavuso then urges teachers and students to put more effort in the language as well as the Swazi culture. She revealed also that this event will be held annually in the Shiselweni region. Zodwa Dlamini, Bonga Dube, reporting for Swazi TV News in Nhlangano.